Hello everyone. Today we will be reading about the comparing fractions. So let's read. So the like fractions or fractions with the same denominators are easy to compare. In like fractions, the fraction with the greatest numerator is greater. To compare unlike fractions or fractions with different denominators, we first convert them into like fractions and then compare them to unlike fraction. Then two unlike fractions that have the same numerator can be compared by comparing their denominators. The fraction with this smaller denominator is greater. The least common multiple, that is LCM, is used to find equivalent fraction with the same denominator. The LCM is used to find the least common denominator, that is LCD of fractions. The LCD is the smallest denominator that both the fractions can have. The fractions are then converted into equivalent fraction with LCD. So now you will be asking that what is the numerator and denominator. So like these two numbers are there, so this is the denominator and this is the numerator. Okay, so now we will look at examples. So now one question has given that compare the fractions 2/5 and 3/4 using the LCD. So first we need to find the LCM of the denominators. So 5 multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25. Okay, and the multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Okay, so in both the fractions 20 are common, so it is the LCM of 4 and 5, that is 20. Okay, now look at the second step. The second step is to find the equivalent fractions for each fraction such that their LCM is their denominator. This gives us fractions with the least common denominator, like 2 into 4 will be 8 and 5 into 4 will be 20. We are doing this multiplication with this because we want the denominator, the LCM 20. The LCM is 20, so we need to have the LCM 20 in the denominator answers, means the answers denominator. So when we are doing it, so 5 into 4 it is coming 20 and 4 into 2 is coming 8. Then one confusion will happen that we can also do 10 into 2 is equal to 20, but we will not do because at the denominator part we need to have the LCM. So with what we will multiply, we need to multiply in the first number also. So then we will multiply it with 3 into 5, then into 4 into 5, then it will come 15 and 20. Okay, so then we will be comparing the fraction with the same denominators. That okay, so that is 15 by 20 and 8 by 20. So it is of course bigger, 15 by 20 is bigger. So then we will replace with it with the original fractions that are 3/4 and 2/5. So now we know that 3/4 is bigger than 2/5. So that is all for this video. I hope that you understood the lesson. So bye for today. Have a